Herbaceous perennials have really grown on me. They're great fun because you can put them into a really rigid situation and have them in lines and be very, very strict with what you have. Or you can have that billowy, soft look. And I really love that. Also, with the cottage garden style, you don't have to keep to rules. And I'm definitely a person who says rules are there to be broken. Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants was founded in 1988. We started in our back garden, and then my sister-in-law has the most amazing garden in Derbyshire, and she gave us a lot of her favourite herbaceous perennials, and she'd collected them from all over, different nurseries down the south coast, all over the country. And everybody was saying, oh, we really like the cottage garden plants, please can we have, and so that's basically what happened. We were shaped by the public who were buying our plant material and saying, this is what we want. My feeling with the RHS shows is a love-hate relationship. I really never wanted to go and do shows in London. I definitely didn't want to go to Chelsea. But Rob persuaded me, and we have been to 27, I think, Chelsea's, and we have 24 gold medals at Chelsea Flower Show, which means that we are on 24 carats, which is brilliant. And then also the really big one is Hampton Court, and we've been there ever since the beginning of the show. We've done really well there. We've received quite a lot of gold medals. Also twice won the Tudor Rose Award, which is the best in show. And then also a couple of other awards there, including doing 7 gardens. When we go to the shows, it's really lovely. There's such camaraderie amongst all of the other exhibitors. So if you happen to have forgotten something, you can always go and borrow something from somebody. They'll help you out if there's a disaster, which is great, and that's really, really lovely. So that's one side of the shows. The other side is you're there to actually be there and helping customers. You're selling the plants to them. All the customers are lovely. We want those people to actually achieve their gardening goals that they want to, and that they succeed in growing their plants. There's nothing worse than getting a plant home, it lasting for 5-6 weeks and then dying and never seeing it again. We don't want that. Herbaceous perennials are herbaceous because they will grow a year, go back down, come back up again, and you get 5, 6, 7 years of joy out of that plant before you have to divide it, and that's really what it's all about. We like to think that as Hardy's we're actually quite a specialist nursery. Yes, we have a very large range of perennials, but the 1 or 2 key things that we have is that we're completely peat free for our plant material, and we try to propagate as much of our plant material as we possibly can ourselves. We don't, there are some things, yes, we have to buy in as young plants, but 80% of everything that we grow here on the nursery we propagate in our propagation tunnel. The one thing with Hardy's is it's not just Rosie and Rob Hardy. Hardy's is very definitely a team. If we didn't have all of our brilliant staff back here at the nursery and who come up and help at the shows, we just wouldn't be able to do what we do. So it is very, very definitely Team Hardy's.